morning, class. I just have a quick announcement for next week. Currently, November 11th today. Happy Veterans Day. This is week 8, so your modules have been published and you can plan your week accordingly. But next week, I wanted to give you a heads up about a little bit of field work. So, you'll be writing about a parent-teacher interaction in your assignment next week. So if you have recently attended a parent-teacher conference, which many of you have, so if you have recently been to a parent-teacher conference, an IEP meeting, or some such thing like that with a teacher, you'll be fine. You can use that experience. If you have not recently had an event like that, you need to start thinking about getting to some sort of meeting. So you could use a PTO, parent-teacher organization, or PTA, parent-teacher association meeting. Those are the same things. They just call them differently in different places. You could go to a school board meeting. You could instigate a parent meeting to talk to someone about maybe one of your children that needs to begin Head Start next year, or a daycare center or child care program, something like that. You could also go to a parent support meeting, like parents of children with autism, or some sort of support group like that. But some sort of meeting where there are adults talking about children, preferably where there is also a teacher present. So again, if you have recently been to a parent conference, you'll be fine. You can use that. If you have not, then please start making plans to get to one either this week or next week, so you'll have some information to use for your assignment. That's it. Have a good day.